As an only child, I don't have siblings. It comes to pass that you get the phone call at 7 a.m. on a Saturday. That's never a good call. And you find out that the last of your bachelor uncles has passed away. And you hustle, and on Sunday you bury him. And you walk into the house. This is 2002. You walk into the house that was purchased in 1921 by your then living grandparents, and you walk into a living museum. And what I mean by that is, while it had a color TV and a microwave and push-button telephones and other signs of modernity, some parts of it looked like it was untouched by time. The dining room looked like the Seders from the 1950s were still, a memory of yesterday. And as an only heir, we had to spend time to reverentially go through this place, discover what there is, and make on the scene split-second decisions about what to keep and what to throw out. And with the World Series playing every night, go Yankees, I would pull down cartons from the attic, because by then you're physically tired. And I pulled the carton down from the 19-teens, and what do you find there? Then the 1920s, what do you find there? In the 1930s, that's when you find the postcard in Yiddish from Poland. You go through all the drawers, you find all the photographs, you find all the snippets, you find the recipes that were torn from the forward, you find the pieces of clothing, you find the ephemera, you find the books, you find what you find is what's normally thrown out by earlier generations when people pass on. But when you have a house and the rent meter isn't ticking, you don't have that sense of time or sense of urgency. So this stuff lingers for 80 years. And so what I inherited was a 120-year assemblage starting in Poland and coming all the way to the present that basically shows what happens to a Polish family that emigrates to the States, buys a house, educates their kids, and has a little bit of fortune and success.